How to save with transparency on Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the files option. So files option is the one option that houses all of the exporting option. There's all kind of export option. So you have to export it. Click on export, and there is an option of quick export as PNG. Don't select it. Select this, because if you select this will make the changes that are already saved in your workspace or in your Photoshop apply to their document. So you are going to go to export as you click on export as, a new window will appear. So this is the new window. So over here you can see these are all options. There is an option I can change to PNG, JPG, GIF or SVG format, whatever I want. Then there is an option of transparency. You can click on this and transparency will turn off. You can click on this and transparency will turn on. So you can do this and change all the things that you want. You can go to RGB or embed color profile or whatever you want. Let's say I'm going to embed the color profile with it, and then I have to click on export. As I click on export, it will be exported with the transparency all this on. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.